In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Uber driver app on your iPhone with this easy to follow step-by-step guide. Whether you're considering driving for Uber to earn extra income or getting ready for your first ride, downloading this app is the first essential step in your journey. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser on your iPhone. This could be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you like using. Once you have it open, navigate to the website https apps.apple.com/US app Uber driver drive deliver ID Walmart 31342792. This is the official link to download the Uber driver app from the Apple App Store. Taking this route ensures that you're getting the legitimate app, free from any potentially harmful software or imitations that could compromise your data or device. Once you've arrived at the App Store page for the Uber driver app, you'll see the familiar setup of an app listing. You should see the app icon, a brief description, and other users' ratings and reviews right there. What you want to do next is to focus on the button that either says Get or Download. If you have never downloaded the app before, the button will say Get. If it's something you've downloaded in the past, you'll see a cloud icon with a downward arrow. Simply tap this button to initiate the download. As you're tapping Get or Download, your device may prompt you for authentication. This could be your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, depending on how you set your device preferences. This extra step ensures that only authorized users can download or purchase apps on your device, adding a layer of security for your app installations. Once the app begins to download, you might see it going from downloading to installing before the button changes to open, indicating that the app is now ready for you to use. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Don't worry if it's taking a little bit longer. Patience is key here. After the installation process finishes, you can access the app by simply tapping Open in the App Store, or you can find it on your home screen and tap the app icon there. By opening the app, you embark on the final step of setting it up according to your preferences and starting your journey as an Uber driver. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Uber driver app on your iPhone. You're now one step closer to hitting the road and starting your new venture. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident navigating the app installation process. Thank you for watching and have a great day driving with Uber.